Hey, Chef D here for Aruna Crab. It's all about the crab cake today. Sustainable sourced crab meat, a company that actually looks after their fishermen. How much better is that? Now, you can use breadcrumbs, you can use cracker crumbs, wherever you want to go with this. I love using tortilla chips. And so my friends at Berry's Asparagus make an amazing tortilla chip. So I've pulsated them, grind them up nice and fine, and now we're gonna add in about a 1/4 cup of roasted pepper, 1/4 cup of diced onion. To star attraction, we have 2 containers of crab meat, Aruna Crab. It's just sustainably sourced. You gotta check it out, it's so good. Now, because the tortilla chips have salt on them, I'm not gonna add any extra salt, but we're gonna add some pepper. And you can add some chipotle pepper at this point too, if you like it just a little bit different and different, kind of that smoky flavor. And then, just gonna gently beat up 2 eggs. And that goes. We're gonna stir this all together. I just like that you can see so much crab in here. And then, this is where we get our hands into it. We can make the crab cake as big or small as you like. I kind of like the 3-bite. Now if you want, we're gonna pan fry them, finish them in the oven, or you could be using a deep fryer for this, wherever you wanna take it. We're gonna pan fry these, and we'll come right back. We start the crab cakes on top of the stove in a preheated 350-degree oven. I just finished baking them for about 5 minutes, and out they come. Beautiful Aruna crab, some fresh cucumber. We have some roasted pepper aioli, and you have a great appetizer, snack, whatever you want. Even maybe put some eggs on, make Eggs Benedict crab cakes. Nothing gets better than that. Hey, I'm Chef D. Check out this recipe and a whole lot more at chefdtv.com.